Hi lovelies, welcome to Anne's Delicious Kitchen, where homemade dishes are made simple. Seafood lovers, let's gather over here. This recipe is just for you. In this video, I will share with y'all how to make a quick, tasty seafood selection which can be enjoyed with Banku, semolina, you name it. Let's get started. Make sure your seafood is washed and it's clean. So I will start off by making the marinade using onions, Scotch bonnet peppers, you can use more or less, garlic cloves, shrimp cube, cloves, salt, and a bit of water. You want to blend the ingredients until you have a smooth consistency. So this is my seafood selection, which is a mix of mussels, squid, and king prawns. I got this from the supermarket. So I just added a bit of the marinade and we'll mix till it's well combined. For flavor, I will add Maggie cube, Cayenne chili pepper for heat, and then you want to steam this for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat. So after 10 minutes, your seafood selection should be ready. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and stay blessed.